the boulevard, my rides looking fly. 1980 Mini Cooper is my ride or die.
Hi guys, welcome to the Manaka channel. So today we got a very interesting video for you all. We got a lead from a customer. He rang us. He's got a really classic Mini Cooper which he needs to put into the road. So now we are heading to his store. As from the owner, what we heard is it's been parked there for more than 15 years. So the good news is the car has been running before he parked up. So we don't know how it's gonna look, what's the state of it. So we're gonna go there, have a look. So hopefully we can drag out the car and have a proper look. We got the keys for the store, so we're heading that way. So stay tuned with our video. It's going to be very challenging for us as detailers, and it's going to be very interesting for you guys to watch it. So stay tuned. Thank you.
Engine purring smooth, sound of purring cat. Turbo boost, kick and leave the world flat. Rocking leather seats, got that vintage feel. Bumping old school tracks, let the vinyl squeal. Zoom around the block, headlights on beam. Whipping corners tight, living the dream. Ride or die with my coupe, ain't no lie. On this asphalt river we float, we fly. Watching haters frown, they envy my shine. Little body, big heart, got that classic design. Grip tight on the wheel, fingers wrapped in style. Lean back. Just along for the ride.
Oh, I think we found it. That's the beauty. Wow. This guy's been sitting here more than 15 years.
This journey we on, we forever bestowed.
So on this episode we are taking the challenge to do a complete detail on this 45 years old classic Mini Cooper which has been parked here for more than 15 years.
Cruising down the boulevard, my rides looking fly. 1980 Mini Cooper is my ride or die. Chrome wheels gleam and paint job clean. Hopping in the city like a movie scene. Engine purring smooth, sound of purring cat. Turbo boost, kick and leave the world flat. Rocking leather seats, got that vintage feel.
Well, we got this Mini out from the garage. Luckily it's in one piece though. So in this detail we are gonna be just cleaning the car and give it a nice polish, but there's a big catch for that. This car has been sitting there for more than 15 years. This need to go through proper compliance before it goes back to the road. So on that process we are part of just doing the detail, and then we're gonna send this back to a mechanic. Once we clean the car, we're gonna send it to a mechanic and get the running repair, so whatever it needs for the compliance, so get that fixed, because we don't know what's wrong with it, but we found out there are some secrets. I'll show you inside what has happened to the car, so just come look at it. Actually we saw the car outside only very clearly because it was so dark in there. It looks like the Mini is being modified later on, because this is a 1980 Mini, but these cars are manufactured from 1959 to all the way to 1999. So that's like 40 years of production, same chassis, same shape, but there were like, pretty much like few variants came through, like a Clubman and wagons, sort of those stuff, but as a Mini Cooper there are only one model exactly this, all the way from 59 to 99. But in that whole period, there were a lot of changes happening to this car. So this is a New Zealand new car, so that means this is being imported as a brand new car to New Zealand, and this is being gone through as a New Zealand new car, which means like if you buy the same car in Europe or US or wherever in the world, you won't get all of these as same, especially in these old Mini Coopers. The mirrors, the fenders, the lights, the bumpers, all the cosmetic stuff outside, which are nut and bolt stuff, there are a lot of aftermarket parts, so people tend to customize their minis. This is one of the best example of that. So it's been, I don't know, highly modified or just a cosmetic modified. I mean, like highly mean like we don't know the engine is been modified or not. It looks like the original engine, but it's been sitting there for 15 years. We have no clue about the car because the owner bought the car from an auction and he knows nothing. He just told us it's been running before he parked. So this engine looks stock, but we don't know what they've done to the inside. Looks like the valve cover is changed and these leads recently changed, or it looks like the spark plugs are pretty new. Different distributors from the factory, so it looks like, yeah, it's been running. See the plugs and all, like they all look new. So we're not gonna start the engine at this stage because, as you all know, it's been parked there for too long, so it's not very good to start an engine. We don't know though. Oh, it's so dry, so the cool thing about these minis in New Zealand market, there are not a lot of minis in this condition for sale. So the owner is trying to get this back to road and then pretty much sell it. So the price range for these are pretty varied, depends all with the model. So if we can get a full spec detail about this car, and then we can identify, okay, this is a Mini Cooper, a race version or a super mini or whatever it came out of from the factory, because it's been fully modified, like cosmetically and engine as well slightly, I would say. So in this stage I can't personally identify as a specific model. I talked to a few people as well and they couldn't even figure out exactly what it is, but this is a Leyland era car, so it's a Mini Cooper, but in that era, like 1970s, 80s, so Leyland, British Leyland was doing the management for the Mini Cooper, so in that era they came as Mini Leyland or whatever. Like, I'll show you the registration. It says, so lastly it's registered back in 2009. So even the interior is being reupholstered, and there are a lot of changes done to the interior, the meter panels, the dashboard. There's a new radio, they put it in back in 2009 or I don't know when. The seats look original, but it's been reupholstered, I guess. So the door panel has been reupholstered. So these I don't know whether the wheel arches came original or not. We got these chrome rings which hopefully we can fit them into the car. So yeah, let's see how we're gonna clean the car before we do a full detail to the car. So stay tuned. We're gonna wash the car now and have a proper look how the car is looking after a wash, and then we'll give it a nice polish, get the pop out from the car.
Cruising down the boulevard, my ride's looking fly. 1980 Mini Cooper, it's my ride or die. Chrome wheels gleam and paint job clean. Hopping in the city like a movie scene. Engine purring smooth, sound of purring cat. Turbo boost, kicking, leave the world flat. Rocking leather seats, got that vintage feel. Bumping old school tracks, let the vinyl squeal. Zooming around the block, headlights on beam. Whipping corners tight, living the dream. Ride or die with my coupe, ain't no lie. On this asphalt river, we float, we fly. Watching haters frown, they envy my shine. Little body, big heart, got that classic design. Grip tight on the wheel, fingers wrapped in style. Lean back, chill mode, we riding for miles. Engine roar, echo through the night. In the city, jungle, street lights, our guide. We two champions, no need to hide. My Mini Cooper and me, just along for the ride. Straight piping through traffic, never lose stride. Hugging every corner, all gears apply. From the cityscapes to the open road, this journey we on, we forever bestowed. Engine purring smooth, sound of purring cat. Turbo boost, kicking, leave the world flat. Rocking leather seats, got that vintage feel. Bumping old school tracks, let the vinyl squeal. Zooming around the block, headlights on beam. Whipping corners tight, living the dream. Ride or die with my coupe, ain't no lie. On this asphalt river, we float, we fly. Watching haters frown, they envy my shine. Little body, big heart, got that classic design. Grip tight on the wheel, fingers wrapped in style. Lean back, chill mode, we riding for miles. Engine roar, echo through the night. In the city, jungle, street lights, our guide. We two champions, no need to hide. My Mini Cooper and me, just along for the ride. Cruising down the boulevard, my ride's looking fly. 1980 Mini Cooper, it's my ride or die. Chrome wheels gleam and paint job clean. Hopping in the city like a movie scene. Engine purring smooth, sound of purring cat. Turbo boost, kicking, leave the world flat. Rocking leather seats, got that vintage feel. Bumping old school tracks, let the vinyl squeal. Zooming around the block, headlights on beam. Whipping corners tight, living the dream. Ride or die with my coupe, ain't no lie. On this asphalt river, we haters frown, they envy my shine. Little body, big heart, got that classic design. Grip tight on the wheel, fingers wrapped in style. Lean back, chill mode, we riding for miles.